Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the world of 3D creation? Well, look no further than Blender. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing Blender, the powerful and versatile open-source 3D creation software. First things first, head over to blender.org, the official website of Blender. Here, you'll find everything you need to get started with Blender, from downloads to tutorials and resources. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Download section. Here, you'll see options for downloading Blender for different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The best part? Blender is absolutely free to use, so you can start creating without breaking the bank. Click on the download link for your operating system, and the download should start automatically. Blender is a relatively small file size, so it shouldn't take too long to download, even on slower internet connections. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Blender on your computer. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and you'll be up and running in no time. And there you have it. Blender is now installed and ready to use. Set your language, theme. Here I'm keeping the default dark theme and related others set up. To initiate the first run on your computer. With Blender, you can create stunning 3D animations, models, visual effects, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Blender offers a wide range of features and tools to bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Head over to blender.org, download Blender, and start unleashing your creativity today.